Alright, welcome to the Big Block Bob YouTube channel. This is a follow-up video for my guess how much horsepower this engine right here makes in my car to win one of these beautiful Matt Spainer designed Big Block Bob t-shirts. Alright, let's get into this engine. If you're new to it and you just want a quick recap. It is a 496, so 60 over 454 OEM block, Eagle rotating assembly, H-beam rods, 4 1/4 stroke. We've got a 43cc dome on the piston, so it's 12/8 to 1 with the head gaskets we're using and the slightly milled AFR 315 heads. The heads have a hollow stem for Rhea valve. It's a 230 on the intake, 188 stainless on the exhaust. Pack beehive springs with lightweight retainer. We reduced some of the valve train weight to kind of bring the RPM up a little bit from where the cam was designed. I have a Stegemeyer ported Vic Jr. intake. He's local here to the St. Charles, Missouri area. And Shane Fessler did the carburetor. It's my quick fuel main body 1050 4150 main body. It has Demon metering blocks and bowls and things like that. He gave it the royal treatment, of course, and we're going to see how it does in the car. But right now, here's what it was like tuning it. Here's how it sounded going to 7,000 plus RPM. Enjoy. Officially, we have 760 horsepower, 679 pound-feet of torque, made at 5,200 RPM. This thing was pushing 740 or more horsepower up past 7,000 RPM. That's pretty impressive to me with a under 700 lift hydraulic roller. I really wanted to walk out of there with that sheet of paper saying it made 800. That would have been nice, but it really doesn't matter. What does matter is that this car, with some giggle juice, goes into the 8s in 2023. That is the goal. And that is the plan. I definitely want to thank Chris at Straub Technologies. Chris and the gang came through locating some push rods for me. And it really kept me on schedule, so I was able to get this thing dynoed and tuned and everything. And we should be able to make our first few events here. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you don't already. Enjoy. Come back for more. See ya.